How to import 1099B into TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. If you sold stocks, crypto, or other investments, your brokerage or crypto exchange will issue Form 1099B. If you want to import 1099B into TurboTax, you want to log into TurboTax and open your return. Now navigate to 1099B section. For that, click on the search icon. Now search for 1099B and select the jump to link. Follow the on-screen instructions. When you reach Let's import your tax info, choose how you want to enter your 1099B. Now to import your form, select your brokerage or financial institution from the list. Enter your sign-in credentials for the account. Then select Get My Form. If you want to enter your 1099B manually, select Enter a different way. Then select your investment type on the next screen. On the following screen, answer the question about your 1099B. When you reach the Review Your Sales screen, the form you entered should be listed. If you need to add another 1099B, select Add Investments. Otherwise, select Continue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.